You find yourself standing still, the morning sun filtering gently through your window. Glistening beams dance upon the floor, inviting warmth into your space, yet you feel heavy with worries, restless thoughts swirling in your mind. It's hard to embrace this light when the shadows of today's challenges loom larger than life. Feeling overwhelmed is part of our existence, a weight that clings to your spirit. It's easy to overlook the love surrounding you. Hope may seem just out of reach amid the chaos. You are not alone in these moments. Many share this struggle, wrestling with uncertainty and fear. You may feel flawed for experiencing this heaviness, but it is through such trials that we gain profound insight into our faith. Remember, even in these dark hours, you are never abandoned. Christ walks alongside you, offering peace that surpasses understanding. He sees your heart's cries and invites you to surrender your worries at his feet. Turn to him, for his gentle hand calms the storms within. Mark 4:39. Let us take a moment together. In the quiet sanctuary of this space, I encourage you to breathe deeply. Allow the warmth of this moment to wrap around you like a comforting blanket. Inhale the promise of God's presence and exhale the burdens weighing on your heart. Creator God, I bring before you this listener who feels burdened. You see them in their struggle, and I ask for an abundance of your peace to wash over them now. Touch their hearts, which are weary, and remind them that it's okay to lean into your love. Fill the corners of their spirit where doubt resides, illuminating those dark places with the glow of your truth. Help them remember you are a refuge, a safe haven. Psalm 46:1. Allow them to feel your embrace, Lord. Wrap them in comfort as they lay their fears before you. Bring healing to their weary body and spirit, igniting a new flame of hope where there once was despair. Let your quiet strength restore their trust, reminding them of your unending faithfulness. Through your grace, may they sense your calm surrounding them. As they face the day ahead, grant them courage to take each moment step by step. Give them the strength to rely on you throughout each challenge. In this sacred stillness, may they feel your presence, reassuring them they are never alone. The dawning light invites you to seek healing, to renew your trust in God's goodness. With every breath, you may choose peace over worry. Surrender the restless thoughts that chase you, finding comfort in knowing you are held in God's hands. Let us pray once more. Loving Father, I ask that you keep this listener grounded in your reality, release them from the grasp of anxiety, and replace fear with steadfastness. Help them understand that choosing faith is a powerful decision. Allow your promises to resonate within them as they step into their day, embracing the opportunities you lay before them. May your peace provide a foundation for every encounter and every challenge. Let them confidently place their hope in you, knowing that your goodness overflows and joy comes in the morning. Psalm 30:35. You are faithful to meet them in every moment. As they rise, bathe them in light that dispels darkness, reminding them of the hope inherent in the journey ahead. As we approach the end of this prayer, I invite you to return tomorrow to this space where we center our hearts on prayer and trust. Allow yourself the grace to seek God daily, leaning into his unwavering love. Pause for a moment and reflect. What are the fears and worries that keep you from feeling God's peace? Sit with that question, letting it settle within. Imagine what could unfold if you devoted 30 days to this practice of prayer and introspection. A sense of lightness could embrace you as you release burdens. Each moment spent in God's presence can cultivate transformation within your heart. If this prayer touched you in any way, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to Daily Prayer Glow. Together, we will embark daily on this journey, nurturing our connection to the divine and discovering deeper peace with each prayer.